Yes, has everyone joined? No, still 8 of you have joined. Nice. Hurry up. Okay. If you have finished third one, go to the fourth one and then go to the fifth one as well. Then. Yes. Here the length of the chord of the AB of the circle with center O is 8 centimeters. එහෙනම් 8යි කියන්නේ මේක සමානයි මේකට මේක 4 මේකත් 4 perpendicular drawn from the chord intersect the at x. Okay, meet the circle at y if xy equals 3. Find the radius of xy කියන්නේ කවුද? මෙයා මෙයා 3යිලු. Yes, so you have to find the radius. Okay, how can you find? Any idea? Yes, you can build up a Pythagorean relation නේද? හදුවද එහෙම? In the triangle OXA, right? You can apply Pythagoras. G-O-R-O-U-S. Pythagoras theorem. So after you apply Pythagoras, it is OA squared will be equals to OX squared plus XA OAX squared. Sorry, XAX squared, like this, right? So the length of OA is the radius. So let it be R. R squared equals OX squared. We don't know, but it is simply the radius minus 3, isn't it? R minus 3 should be R minus 3 squared plus. So what it is? XA squared. XA කියන්නේ කවුද? මෙතන ඉඳන් මෙතන තියෙන දුර. It is 4 squared, isn't it? ඇයි මේක R minus 3 කියලා ගත්තේ? කාටද නොතේරුණු කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවද? OX කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේ දුර. එතකොට OI කියන්නේ radius එක නම් R නම් එහෙනම් මේ OX කියන දුර මේ R කියන දුරෙන් මේ තුන අඩු වෙලා එන දුර වෙන්න ඕනේ නේද OX කියන්නේ. Now can you understand? So this is R squared. So square in the brackets. First term squared minus 2 times first term into second term. I will write in the different order. Plus 3 squared, which is 9 plus mega kiyada 16 කියලා එනවා නේද? Okay, so here what happens? R squared to this R squared will get cancelled and and here what will be remaining is minus 6R plus 9 plus 16 will give you what? 25? Yes, 25. Is that correct? Yep, it is correct. So 6R plus 25 equal to 0, 0. So moving to this side, 6R will be equal to 25. I'm bothered why it is not divisible anyhow. R will be equal to 25 upon 6 centimeters. If you wish, you can write 1 upon 6 centimeters, or if you wish to convert it to decimals, better, you can write it. You got this answer, Libira? Rasindu, did you got the answer? Chamath, are you in the class today? Yes? Inuka, did you got the answer?
අර අගහරිය ටිකක් මොකක්ද වුණා?
අගහරිය මොකක්ද උනේ? මොකද උනේ? කලන්තරයක් දැම්මද නෑනේ? Nandini, did you got the answer? Nirman, what about you? Rasindu, what about you? Did you got the answer? Nope. Anybody who can't understand this, please ask. Fine. We'll move to the fourth question quickly and we can. No. Yeah, anybody who wants this? Oh, did I know Megan? Okay. So shall we move on to the fourth question? What it says: AB is a chord of a circle with center O. The midpoint of the chord is X. Yes, you can clearly see that. The point C lies on the line drawn from X through this point O. Prove that AC equals BC. Right. So you have a proof. Anybody who can suggest what we can do in here? Midpoint එක x කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා. So you will have to go for congruency, right? Isn't it? Go for a congruency. First write all the datas. I'm not going to write it, and then write to prove that. You'll get 1/3 of the marks from the total question I'm writing up to here. If you don't write, you will not get that mark. Okay, and then go for the proof. Go with the congruency. For a hint, I will give you. You can do it by. Don't try with RHS, even though you will have a right angle triangle. The hypotenuse. Okay. So try that with SAS. Side angle on the side. Okay.
Oh, online.
So we have to start. Have you done it? Finished? Still not? So you can say that I'm not going to write all in the triangles called AXC and AXB. Okay, what will happen here? AX will be equals to XB, and the angle AX, yeah, AXB equals to, not AXB, sorry, AXC, AXO will be equals to BXO, but it is equal to 90 degrees for the particular reason. X is the, or we'll say like OX is the line joining the midpoint of AB right, which is 90, and then what else? XC is common, right? So we have proved that, therefore the triangle called AXC, will be congruent to the triangle AXB under the case of SAS. So therefore, corresponding elements AC will be equal to CB. CB. The reason is corresponding elements. Okay. So this is a particular reason. AC will be equal to CB. Understood? Right. Okay, hope you have finished it. And fifth one is also not much difficult. By the way, can you quickly do that? Do you want my help? ලිබිර මන්දිනී හදන්න පුළුවන්ද? ඇයි මේ ළමයි අඩු වෙන්නේ මේක දැන්? 14ක් හිටියද? දැන් කීයද ඉන්නේ? 9 දෙනයි. 5ක් නැහැ. කොහොම සමහරක ප්‍රවීන්ලා හැම නැහැ. කවුද මේ හිටියේ දැන්? ඉනුක හිටියා වුනේ. නැහැ. maybe Pavalos. ශාලිකා හිටියා? ශාලිකා ඉන්නවා. රින්බාන් රෙසිසු චමත් නැද්ද අද? නැහැ නේ. yes උදේ හිටියෙත් නෑ. උදේ කියන්නේ the previous session. ආකාශා ඉන්නවා. ලිබිරකෝ. අනේ අපිට සිග්නල් නැතුව. okay. PQ and PR are two chords of a circle with center O. The perpendicular drawn from O to PQ and PR are OX and OY respectively. PQ equals PR. Same, right? It's the same type of a congruency. You may show that the two triangles are congruent, and then is that so? Yeah, simply we can go with an congruency. Okay, I'll help you a bit. Residence hello maker. Is residue? You don't have a mic to speak, or you don't speak? So, if you consider the two smaller triangles, these two, this one and this one, you can see these, no? Yes. So if you consider these two triangles, it is easy to show that these two are congruent. I will not write all the data. You have to write it. I will not try to prove that. You'll have to write it. I will write only the proof. So when it comes to the proof, you can say in the triangles, who are they? OXQ and OYR. So what has happened here? These two triangles you will have to consider. What is the case that is more suitable to use here? Yes, I would recommend to use angle and a side, right? So you'll have to find two pairs of angles and one pair of sides. Okay, they have given us that PXQ is a straight line, so it is 180. Therefore, the sum of PXO and OXQ will be equal to 180. And they have given that the one part is 90, therefore the other part is 90. ඔගොල්ලෝ මෙහෙම කියුවේ නැතත් කෝඩ් එක sorry OX කියන එක මෙතන මේ mid point එකට join වෙනවා කියලා කියනවා. නෑනේ. No, they have just perpendiculars. Okay, if this is perpendicular, this is 90 degrees, you can just say it as well, doesn't matter. Simply you can say it. Okay, anyhow, come on. Therefore OX will be equal to 90 degrees. So we have proved that this is 90. Then you can say that OXQ will be equals to OYR. Here one pair of angles, sorry, this is 90 degrees. Then what is the other angle? XOQ angle will be equal to YOR angle. Reason is they are let's see. Right, so this is vertically opposite, and the two sides OQ and OR, OQ will be equal to what? OR with a particular reason, because they are the radii of the same circle, right? Okay, and we have showed that two pairs of angles. Therefore, the triangle OXQ will be congruent to the triangle OYR under the case of angle and side. එතකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? මේ දෙන congruent වෙන ගාන ඉවර නෑ. Then you have to say that OXQ will be equal to YR. Isn't it? එහෙම නේද? ඒක කියන්න වෙන්නේ ඊළඟට. So you can say, I'll start from here. Therefore, XQ will be equal to YR. The particular reason is corresponding elements. Right? Therefore, you can simply say that XQ will be equals to, sorry, PQ will be equals to 2 times XQ. Okay, what is the reason? Because X is the midpoint. X is the midpoint. You had write the theorem, but we have learned in the previous theorem. The chord, the line joining the midpoint, the converse of the theorem. The perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord will bisect the chord. Therefore, this is valid here. 2 times XQ. Similarly, PR will be equal to 2 times YR. The same thing. Y is the midpoint. Midpoint. Okay. Therefore, you can say, but xq will be equal to yr. Why? Xq will be equal to yr. Therefore, pq will be equals to pr. So these are not r is p. All right, guys. So this is the particular reason. Proof. Okay, I have done several examples with you people, and I want you guys to try the next exercise, question number 7, question number 8 at home, 6 as well, not much difficult. And moving on, our next lesson will be construction, I think. And I hope it is difficult to do construction in this manner. What do you say? What is your opinion? මොකද කියන්නේ කට්ටිය? කව කට්ටියද මට ස්ක්‍රීන් එක අඳින්න බෑ. This is really difficult. I just tried yesterday to teach to draw some kind of a thing, but okay, guys, we'll start with the new lesson in the next meeting. Join the meeting within 5 minutes. I have received the upgradation and I have to stop this meeting. So guys, come to the next meeting faster. It will not be enough. Join the next meeting quickly.